The make one purlwise right is often used when we need to do an increase on the wrong side that matches increases done on the right side of stockinette fabric, or we want an increase that doesn't show very visibly on the right side of the fabric when it's stockinette. When we are working the make one right, it is something that will be right leaning on the other side of the fabric. So right here you can see that this little increase is leaning to the right. Again, down here I did another one leaning to the right on this side of the fabric, but we're actually going to make the increase here on the wrong side of the fabric. Just like with the make one right and left that we would do on the stockinette side of the fabric, when we're on the wrong side of the fabric, it still works the same in that we have the running strand here between the two stitches we've already knit, and we're going to pick that up. And whether we pick it up from back to front or front to back is what determines whether it's right leaning and left leaning, as well as then how we knit it. Using the left needle, we'll pick up from back to front, and we will knit through the front leg. So this stitch has two legs. There's the one closer to me, that's the front, and then back here is the back leg. If we were to purl the back leg, it would basically create this very big opening, almost like a yarn over that we're making after the fact. So we're going to knit through the front leg of that stitch and close it up, and it will tighten up the hole a little bit. And if we tug on the yarn of the next one as we're knitting it or purling it, it will tighten it up as well, tightening up that little hole that might form beneath it. So let's do that again. So from back to front, purling the front leg. Now, I will say that I usually, when I'm working these, the directions are written using the left needle tip, but I actually find it easier to pick it up with my right needle tip and place it on the way I need to, and then work from there. So there's our little make one right. It is leaning to the right. On the back, it's a purl stitch. On the front, it will be a knit stitch. And depending on what you're using it for, you will either use the stockinette side or the reverse stockinette side. This is where I've been doing make one purlwise right. This is where I've been doing make one purlwise left.